All right, if you're an experienced engineer, you're going to want to listen up. This could be one of the most important explainers you watch all year. Larson & Toubro is opening its doors, and we're about to break down exactly what that means for your career.
So if this question on the screen is basically calling your name, well, you're in exactly the right place. We're talking about L&T, one of India's engineering giants, and they are specifically looking for seasoned pros in Gujarat for a huge walk-in drive.
And there it is. That's the headline. L&T, a massive name in the industry, is holding a special recruitment event. So let's get into the details of what makes this such a game-changing opportunity.
Now, this is way more than just your average job fair. This is a direct line, a fast track to a major career leap. You see, L&T is a giant in the EPC space. That's engineering, procurement, and construction. Getting in with them means you're joining a company that is quite literally building the future of India and even projects beyond. This walk-in is like an express lane to get on board. Okay, so who exactly are they looking for? Let's take a closer look at the roles that are up for grabs.
The drive is really focused. It's targeting 4 specific, high-demand engineering disciplines. So if your expertise falls into one of these buckets, this is for you.
And here they are. They're looking for mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, C&I engineers, that's control and instrumentation, and of course civil engineers. Now look at the experience requirement. It's consistent across the board. They want professionals with a solid 5 to 15 years under their belt.
So let's say you fit the profile. The next big question is where and when. Let's get into the logistics because they're obviously super important.
Go ahead and mark your calendars right now. The big day for the walk-in drive is Saturday, December 20th, 2025.
And you've got a pretty big window. It's an all-day event running from 9 in the morning all the way to 5 in the evening. That definitely gives you some flexibility on the day.
All right, here's exactly where you need to be. The venue is the L&T-Knowledge City in Vadodara. You're going to head to the 6th floor of the EB1 building, and you'll go through gate number 1. It's located right at the Ajwa Waghodia crossing on National Highway 8.
Okay, I need you to listen really closely to this next part because it is absolutely critical. Knowing all the details is one thing, but understanding how to attend is the key.
So here's the single most important point. You cannot just show up on the day. I'm going to say that again because it's that vital. Pre-registration is absolutely 100% mandatory. This isn't an open house. Think of it more like an appointment-based walk-in.
The process itself is pretty simple, really. First step, you've got to find that official registration link online. A quick search for L&T Walk-in Drive Vadodara December 2025 should get you there. And then the second and most crucial part, you have to complete that registration before the deadline. And that brings us to our final and honestly most urgent piece of information, that deadline. Time is definitely of the essence here.
This timeline really puts it all into perspective, doesn't it? You've got 2 key dates to worry about. December 19th is your last day to act. That's when you have to register by. Then, December 20th is the day of the event itself. It's simple. No registration, no interview.
And look, L&T has been super specific about this, so there's zero room for error. The window doesn't just close on the 19th. It closes at a very precise time.
And there it is, 5 p.m. on Friday, the 19th of December. If you are interested in this opportunity, you must have your pre-registration done and submitted by this exact time, not a single minute later.
So there you have it. The opportunity, the exact roles they're looking for, all the logistics, and that critical non-negotiable deadline. We've laid it all out. The only question left is the one you see on the screen. Will you be there?